Hello friends, welcome back to my video. In this video, I have selected earthquake as our topic for discussion and practice English. Okay. So I have added extra one section that is vocabulary. So after studying our discussing our topic, will be summarize 10 words, important words that already we studied in this paragraph, and we'll know what is the meaning and how we can use our day-to-day life. Okay. So let's get started. Earthquakes are among the most devastating natural disasters that can strike without warning. They occur when energy stored in the earth crust is suddenly released, causing the ground to shake. In many cases, people are caught off guard as these tremors happen in the blink of an eye. It is often said that nature has its own way of reminding humans not to take things for granted. The primary cause of earthquake lies in the movement of tectonic plates. When these plates rub against each other or suddenly slip, they release massive energy. This process is known as faulting, can set off a chain reaction beneath the surface. Scientists have been trying to figure out ways to predict earthquake, but success has been limited. Earthquakes vary in magnitudes and their impact depends on their intensity and depth. A minor tremor may go unnoticed, but a powerful earthquake can bring cities to their knees. Buildings collapse, road crack, and infrastructure is severely damaged, leaving people struggling to pick up the pieces of their life. One of the most frightening aspects of earthquake is their unpredictability. Despite technological advancement, researchers have been able to pin down the exact time of occurrence. This uncertainty creates panic as people live under the constant fear that disaster may break out at any moment. In addition to physical destruction, earthquakes take a heavy emotional toll on survivors. Families are torn apart and may lose their loved one. In such situation, people must hold on to the hope and support each other. Communities often come together to rebuild what has been lost. Preparedness plays a crucial role in reducing damage. Government and organizations encourage people to take precautions such as building earthquake resistant structures and conducting safety drills. Awareness campaigns help individuals gear up for emergency and respond effectively during a crisis. Modern technology has made it possible to detect seismic activity and issue early warning. Although this warning may only provide a few seconds, they can help save life. It is important to make the most such advancement and ensure that people are well informed and ready. In conclusion, earthquake serves as a reminder of the power of nature and the vulnerability of human life. While we cannot completely prevent them, we can certainly brace ourselves for their impact. By staying informed, prepared, and united, humanity can weather the storm and emerge stronger than before. 10 important words with meaning and examples. Number 1 is devastating, causing great damage or destruction. That time we'll use the word devastating. Example, the earthquake had a devastating effect on the village. Tremor means shaking. If something is shaking, that time we'll be using the word that is tremor. A slight shaking movement. If you felt small terror, we felt a small tremor in early morning. Okay. Number three is magnitude. Basically, it is the unit of measuring earthquake. Okay. So size or length of the something measuring. Okay. Number four, infrastructure. It includes basic system like roads, buildings, and power supply. So we can say that key. For example, nowadays the infrastructure of village is growing. Okay, day by day. Number five is unpredictability. Means we cannot exactly predict the things that is happening. The quality of being impossible to predict, that is unpredictability. Examples, the unpredictability of earthquake makes them dangerous. Okay. Number six is most crucial in important word, that is resilient, able to recover quickly from the difficult. If someone has faced difficult situation in his life and he is able to stood up easily, that time we can say that the person is very much resilient. Okay. Number six is precautions. Precautions means a small steps taken in order to avoid big failure or a big incident, that is called precaution. Okay. Number eight, seismic means the related to earthquakes and vibrations inside the earth that is happening. That time we can use seismic activity. Okay. Number nine is aftershock. Means once the incidents already happened, there will be some effect, mental trauma that will be leaving 2 to 3 weeks. That is called as aftershock. We can say that he felt aftershock that incident. Okay. So in this way we can use aftershock. Number 10 is collapse. Collapse means to fall suddenly. That is called collapse. Okay. In this way, we learned 10 different words today. Congrats, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Okay. If you find my video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that YouTube algorithm will recognize me and it will reach to wider audience. Okay. I'll catch you on next video. Bye bye.